Came to pass when they had brought them out and away, that he said, escape for your life, do not look back, neither stay in all the plain. Escape to the mountain, lest you be consumed. God said to them, oh, not so, my Lord. Behold, now the servant hath found favor in the sight, and you have magnified your loving kindness, which you have shown me in saving my life. And I cannot escape to the mountain, lest evil overtake me and I die. Behold, now this city is near to flee unto, and it is the little one. Oh, let me escape there, and my soul shall live. Said unto him, see, I have accepted you concerning this thing also, that I will not overthrow the city over which you have spoken. Make haste, escape, therefore I cannot do anything till you get there. Thus the name of the city was called Zor. The sun had risen upon the earth when Lot came unto Zor. Jehovah rained upon Sodom and Gomorrah, brimstone and fire from Jehovah out of heaven. He overthrew those cities and all the plain and all the inhabitants of the cities and that which grew upon the ground. But Lot's wife looked back from behind him, and she became a pillar of salt. Abraham got up early in the morning to the place where he had stood before Jehovah, and he looked towards Sodom and Gomorrah and toward all the land of the plain, and beheld the smoke of the land went up as the smoke of a furnace. And it came to pass when God destroyed the cities of the plain, that God remembered Abraham and sent Lot out of the midst of the overthrow. And he overthrew the cities in which Lot dwelt. Lot went up out of Zoar and dwelt in the mountain, and his 2 daughters with him, for he feared to dwell in Zoar. And he dwelt in a cave, he and his 2 daughters. And the firstborn said unto the young girl, Father is old, and there is not a man